healthy, sophisticated blonde. It's the kind of hair that makes people stop and stare, radiating a super feminine, sexy confidence. This honey of a shade is everything now. Hi, I'm Denis De Souza, celebrity hair colorist for Joico, and I'm here to show you how to create the most gorgeous shade of cream and sugar blonde without sacrificing an ounce of healthy and shiny hair. How do I do it? Easy, with Joico's new Blonde Life Hyper High Lift Permanent Cream Shades. We're going to use two formulas to get there. My Model Metal line is starting with Virgin Level 7 hair. So Formula 1 is 3/4 ounce Blonde Life Clear Booster and 1/4 ounce Blonde Life Pearl with double 30 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 2 is LumiShine Demi-Liquid 8N and 5 volume LumiShine developer. Joico Hyper High Lift Permanent Cream Shades are the ultimate time saver, allowing you to lighten up to 5 levels plus tone and deposit in one gentle step. The secret is AriPlex technology, a radical hair defense system that protects and strengthens hair, reducing breakage by 32% in a single treatment. I'm talking about creating the healthy, high-definition shine that every client wants. Begin with the hair parted down the center and section into 3 sections, 2 in the front on either side of the part from the back of the ears forward and 1 in the back. Start at the back section, working from the bottom up. Apply Formula 1 from about 1 inch from the roots through the ends in a brick-lane width pattern. Make sure to follow the curve of the head. You want to feather the formula up as you get closer to the scalp to create a seamless transition or a shadow root effect. Continue through the entire back section until you get to the crown of the head. Now we move on to the front right section. Create a diagonal vertical section and weave in Formula 1 from roots to ends. I like to add light pieces very close to her face to create the perfect face framing dimension. Leave about 2 inches out on the front fringe. Repeat the same technique on the left side. After the 2 sides are completed, take about 4 horizontal weaves and apply Formula 1. This will add brightness to the face. I'm a huge fan of Joico Blonde Life because the products are infused with exotic Monoi and Tamanu oils, a unique combination of nourishment that boosts shine and protects hair so it continues to be off the charts healthy between appointments. Once you're done, rinse and follow up with Joico Blonde Life shampoo and conditioner to maintain that brilliant blonde shade. The nourishing protection from Blonde Life Hyper High Lift actually seals in moisture, softness, and shine for up to 30 full shampoos. To finish, I'm using Formula 2 to accentuate the shadow root for a blended, natural effect. Just apply on the root and bring it down 1 to 2 inches all over the head. As a celebrity hair colorist, I always use Joico LumiShine in my LA salon because it re-strengthens the hair and doubles the shine from roots to ends. My high-profile clients need their hair to look and feel its best 24/7, and that's what we get with every LumiShine application. Process Formula 2 for about 10 minutes and shampoo and condition with Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo and Conditioner. Gorgeous, healthy, cream and sugar blonde, made easy, elegant, and effortless. Thanks to Joico Blonde Life Hyper Lift Shades. For the latest tips, trends, and easy-to-follow tutorials, download the Joy Color System app and subscribe to the Joico YouTube channel. Stick around because the next video is coming right up and you don't want to miss it.